everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how you can increase the volume in Adobe Premiere Pro. Audio is just as important as video in video editing. Sometimes you may find that the audio levels in your footage are too low or too high. Fortunately, Adobe Premiere Pro makes it easy to adjust the volume of your audio tracks. Let's get started by opening up our Premiere Pro project. Here, I have a clip with low audio volume that we need to boost. First, we need to see what is our audio level. For this, I'll be playing this video. Make sure that CTI is on the timeline and we'll play the video now. I'll increase the volume. As you can see, even after turning the volume to 100, the audio is not that audible. To make sure and see, this is our audio track, which is the audio effects bar. We'll go on the audio effects bar and I'll increase the space and play it again. As you can see that the decibels coming here while the audio is playing, the decibels are coming under -48, which is very low for a video. So I'll stop it here. Generally, for an audio track or for a person who's speaking, the audio should range between -6 decibels to -12 decibels. So how do we attain that? First of all, I'll come to the audio 1 track and I'll shift this a little down so that I can see where my audio is ranging. So I'll play this again. I'll bring back my CTI to 0 and I'll play it again. So now here comes the trick of how we can adjust the volume in just a minute. Over here you can see this white line which is very low. So if I shift this a little up and play it again, you can see it is ranging from -12 to -24. I'll shift this even further. So this is how you can adjust and play with the volume. Make sure -0 is the highest. So make sure that the audio levels are comfortable enough. Make sure that it is somewhere between -7 to -8 and not lesser than -12 or not higher than -6 because it will not be that comfortable. If we want to increase the audio level for the entire project, we can select all the audio tracks in the timeline and apply the volume effect to them all at once. In addition to adjusting the volume levels, we can also use the other audio effects in Premiere Pro to improve the sound quality of our clips. And there you have it. That's how we can easily increase the volume in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in our next video. Till then, please like, share and do subscribe to my channel.